how to switch to a real account on AvaTrade. Are you ready to move from demo trading to live trading on AvaTrade? Then here's how you can easily do it. First things first, open the AvaTrade application on your smartphone and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the homepage of AvaTrade, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu button, click on Accounts from the top. From the Accounts tab, tap on My Account. On the next page, you'll be able to see the type of account you are currently using. If you are using a demo account currently and you'd like to switch to a live account, tap the drop-down right next to Demo at the top and under Switch Account, select Real. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to switch to a real account on AvaTrade. Before using real account, make sure that you have verified your identity. And once your real account is approved, you can go ahead and deposit funds using your preferred payment method. So that is how you can easily switch to a real account on AvaTrade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.